Good morning, everybody. Happy Memorial Day to you and all of your families and all of our people around the world. I have an S&P 500 chart, and basically, I'm having it set right now on the daily setting and whatnot. But I will tell you that since we called for these reversals, which we did, and we even also talked about the bear market and what would that look like and why is it going to be really bad? It will, but you need to understand it's over a longer period of time. Markets are going to get overbought, they're going to get oversold, they're going to do their thing. Now, the longer term analysis, though, is very correct. And we will be going in a severe bear market between there's 6 months left here in 2019, and we have our 12-month process in year 2020, which equals 18 months to the home plate of what we're talking about and why the bear market is going to have extreme problems when we go through the cycles. Right now, here's the S&P. We had a very good little run in the S&P, and the up days were slowed down. So it goes like this. So here's the first reversal that we called. But the rally went up 3 days there, and we did, but only to see that rally fell from this peak right here. So let's make sure that that's there and whatnot. And here it is. Goes just like this to that low right there. So what I want you to see is that when we did get oversold short term, we had a 1, 2, 3 day rally. And then we sold right into the moving averages. And that momentum felt very weak. And that crossover does not help. The daily sell signal on the S&P 500 is there, and it's very, very real. That's this red bar right here, just so you know, and whatnot. And it is in a sell signal. So as long as these trends have clearly changed, and we did tell you it would, and we did, and we've been down 5 weeks in a row on the Dow. And so here's a lower high peak. It goes just like this. Watch. You're going to take that lower high right here, and we're going to come right there. And so you can see the arrow right there. You can see where we are. And you can also see down here below where I'm going to draw my trend line and whatnot. Horizontal. It's going to be right here where that arrow is. This one. Reversal 1. Rally. Reversal made another lower low. No matter what. And you people need to learn, just because you get a 3 day rally in something from an oversold position, the analysis that we do give is saying we're going to go lower. And we did. We made another lower low within the volatility hook. And there's the arrow right there from the last lower high, man. So basically, as we move forward, there's a lot of money. If we break below 2805, we could see 2700 real easy. I have a 60-minute chart on the S&P, and we're going to go back to where I called the reversal. 1, straight down. We came back up to the high. What happened there? Oh, yeah, right there. We made those lower lows right there in the cycle. It's all on YouTube right now on the channel. Then we had a rally up. Look what it did. It failed. Why? Because of the way that this market is. That's why. And we went straight down. Made that lower low. We had some volatility within the oversold condition. Very short term. We rally up. Here you go. We rally up right here. Yes, we did. Then we came right back down again. Now, let's cover it clearly. And here's how it works. We made this move straight up to the high within this particular day. And we actually, on 515, we went straight up. When you go back over here to this lower high reversal, this was on 510. This was 515. Let us not be confused. Let us not be confused about making money. Let's not be confused that we made another lower low down here. And that low in trading volatility was 28.32. And guess what? They rallied it up, but here's what happened again. And I'm just going to show you about gauging volatility. I'm going to show you about gauging what the real true story of the trend is. We went straight up and started that reversal right here. That was on 521. And from 521, oh yeah, yes, yes, from 521, we had come down here, and this was on the uh, high where that reversal came back in. And then we went straight down, and we did. And then we hit that low. We had expiration Friday right in here. He comes right back up to the high. 28.42 is a major wall of resistance. And I'm showing this to you on a 60-minute view. There's the trend line here. That low did not break this low, and we know that. But this was option expiration Friday. 60-minute view with the daily, and we're going to go ahead and conclude it.